Instinct, I'm killing shorty. Dinosaurs, they all instinct. Like East Street, you gonna be extinct. Fuck y'all niggas, fuck slutty boys. Hit y'all niggas with them toolies, y'all niggas got toys. We ain't playing, this beef is real, nigga. How you think Tyrell feel, nigga?
I'm from the 40, I got a 40 Glock, and we sitting on my fucking block. We in the house right now, chillin', skipping school. Fuck Dozer, ain't no time for chili chews. So I'm chillin' with the man, feeling like I crack my money in the hand, like $1,000 in the fucking brand. I'm doing big things, call me Sam.
Yeah,
So I'm cooking.
Call him Sam. Call him Sam. We in the kitchen cooking up a motherfucking storm. Getting up that coke, now we doing double swarms. Our crackheads coming like they addicted to that shit. Always asking 4 seconds like they sucking dick. Crackheads burnt out, bony egg shit. Keep coming back off they 21st shit. They say fuck your grandmother just like us. East Street niggas better not fuck with us. We coming through that thing with that Mac 50. 50-piece chicken for your man, Lil Steve. Lil Squirt, your young ass gon' get it too. Hit you and your father and your grandmother too. Fuck all y'all, y'all not about that shit. Fat, sure your fat ass gonna get this part of shit. Yeah.
So I'm major, I'm with the major boys. I'm really lying, but I play with big toys. I'm talking AKs, ARFCs with the AKs with the red beam. So we aiming out the nose like a hoe, shooting everybody in their toes. Now it's time to go. What you really want? I really do this shit if I want. I'm chillin', I'm smoking, I'm high as fuck. I'm chillin', I'm smoking, I'm drunk as a fuck.